Okay, so let's move on to our class, our session, let's say. Yeah, as you know that this is an Excel, um this is an Excel interface. Uh, we are not going to talk about the detail, which is like a boring detail about the things that you already took it before, but we are just talking about something which is more into the things that I think we needed even from the very beginning of our Excel classes. مش دخان عزبنا بأجر هاتشيكت هي بكومنت بينوسا أجر بوم نشينا نسيبو ما مصاب بناري بنوسي يكسر جاب تاعته okay. Well, we are using this hashtag for I told them. No, I told them. We are using this hashtag or this waffle sign for numbers. So name, gender, and salary, and the last and not the least going to be date of birth. So yes, first we are just marking it or let's selecting it to just showing this is or giving a different background color to know that this is the heading. Then we have 1, 2, later we are just selecting it, and then from here to 10, then giving it a border. Yes, for the name, Azad, Sarah, Lara, Ahmed, Sirwa, Ashna, Ali, Muhammad, and Kani, Kale. Okay. For the gender, we are using M for male and F for female. So we have another F, M, F, F, M, M, F, sorry, M and F. Good. So just like manage it, you do it this way. Yes. So about the salary, we will just take it as, let's say, dollar. So it's 100. Okay, 150. Okay. As you know, we have salary. So what is salary? Which kind of data type we are using for salary? Guys, it's a question. I'm waiting. Which data type we are using for salary? No answer? Okay. Okay, I know that, but I want to know which data type we are using for salary. Okay, I will give you a hint. From here, we have the data types. Which one we are using? Okay, yeah, I could use accounting. Great. So now I see there's like decimal number. This dot .00 is a decimal number. If I want to get rid of it, or if I want to remove this, how to remove it? Yeah, Fennec. This is exactly what I took. I said, yeah, we will use accounting. So how to get rid or how to remove this OO after the decimal sign? How to remove it? As Mama Sabnar wrote it for you. How to remove this? The decimal numbers. Nope. There's an easy way. Come on, guys. It's so easy. From here, we are just selecting, and then from here, it's written decrease decimal number. We remove it. No, not from accounting. Just simple like this. You see where's the pointer? I just click it. Here is increasing, and here is for decreasing. Yes, it's written decrease, increase, decimal number, increase, decrease, decimal number. Simple like this. Okay, so if I want to use date of birth, which data type I need? For date of birth, which data type we need? Come on, just like refresh the information from your, yes, we are just using not time, we just use date. Share. We are just using date because when you are going here, there's two type, short date, long date. So I could just select the short date, simple like this. And now I'm typing, for example, 1st June 1995. And we see the format here is exactly the format which is on our computer. Here, you see the pointer, I'm going down to the taskbar, and here I see is 25th July 2021. Exactly. So now I use the short one, so it gave me the same format that I have it on my computer. So here is written 25th 7, which means July 2021. It's exactly the same way. For example, if I want to write 15, 11, 2000, just like changing the format. If I want to make different format, or if I want to change this format to another format that is exists on the system, what I will do, how to get to the format cell, how to get to format cell. Is there a shortcut? Guys, where are you? I want to go to format cell. From where I could go to format cell? Come on, just click in here. We will see format cell. Now I could choose another date, another format. So how you answer in the exam if you are not getting the question right now? So I will choose this format and then type in 6/8/88. We will see it's written 6th of August 1988. So we will see the very beginning, which is the date. It will give us two digit and then 3 digits for the month and 2 digits for the year, because this is what I choose. Or another way to get to format cell, what I will do, right click, format cell, and now here I could change it to this long format. Then I will write today is 25th July 2021. And it will just say that today is Sunday, July 25th, then 2021. Simple like this. So you could just use the same format for all of them, or you could just pick a different format for each of the cell that we want, because you are not obliged to use the same format for all. This way, maybe in the exam, what I will do, I will just ask you, okay, I want you to make a table for me which contain 5 names with a salary using Iraqi dinar currency, and the date of birth be in different formats like this. So in this case, you have to know how to use the data type and how to use the formats from the date or the formats for the currency. So if I ask you to change this currency to Iraqi dinar, how you do it? Or in another way, how we could change the currency sign to Iraqi dinar. As you see now, we have dollar sign. So how to change? Which place? Fennec. Okay, I clicked here. And then what else? Going to here. More accounting formats, right? Yes, exactly. And then from symbols, exactly from symbols, I will choose Iraqi dinar. I have to go down, 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 down. Maybe I move too fast. I think it's here. Yes. So I will say, okay, now I choose Iraqi dinar and I could get rid of the decimal by clicking on this icon. And yeah, So we see I could change this one to some other currency, for example, to Chinese yuan. I could change this one to euro. I could change this one to British pound. Simple like this. So it's so easy that you could just do it straight from the format cell, or just clicking on the place where it's a shortcut. We could say it's a shortcut instead of always clicking here and then going to accounting, and from here picking. You could just use the shortcut from here and pick the available one, or you could just click on more, and from the sign we could choose. Simple like this. So these ways is just like simply to help you to have access to the um, symbols to change the currency type, and also about the date. So let's have something else. I have phone number. So while I have phone number, I know that phone number is starting like international. It's starting with 00 964 770 152. Can I write it this way without any problem? Yes, thank you, Fennec. Exactly. Why I cannot use this format before, like in general, why I cannot use these zero in the beginning? Why? If I use Word document, I could just write whatever I want. But here, why I cannot use it? Is there any reason? Your answer is perfectly right. I will just like choose from here text, and then I will write 00. Bam, it's just working. Yes, thank you, Fennec. It's exactly the right answer, because like in general, in mathematic way, because like, Excel sheet is just like dealing with numbers and doing some formula on the numbers. So in general, the first um, zero is not allowed. Okay, Mama Savna, you answer her. So yeah, but if I wrote it like this way, without changing it to text, okay, without changing it to text, it will remove it straight away. So it's not accepting zeros like this. But if I change the format to text, as we did it here, so we could just write zeros as much as we want without any problem. In this case, it will take the zeros as a digit or as a string. Okay, like it will take it as an A or as an B, as any of the other alphabet on the keyboard, because you said, imagine what you are entering in this cell is a string or is a text. That's why it will accept whatever you are entering. Simply, it will allow you. If you want to change the format of any of the cells, you'll just change it to general. So I cannot write zeros here. I have to change it to text to make it easy. So you are not obliged to have all the column the same format. You could just change it accordingly based on your data that you are entering. Even you can't just change a row, entire row, to text or to string or to whatever you want. And be careful while you are entering data. For example, you see this is a number. It's a number, right? So don't go here and say, okay, I want, because I know this is a number, so I won't change it to number. This is like wasting time, because you have numbers, then you have to get rid of the decimal number, and later if you did any of equation, it will take it as a number. So no, just like make it simple, keep it general, like this. So this is enough for today, because I know that most of you forgot about what you took during the literacy. So I sent you the booklet of expert. So try to read it and try to review some of the things that you took it before, because next class we will do the real job and be ready for a real class, inshallah, from tomorrow. And now I will leave you with Mama Stabnar, and she will ask you questions. So please answer her, even if you are not able to practice because you are using mobile. It's totally fine. Just answer her questions and try to be active, because your activity is like counted, and we are taking those things in consideration. So yeah, I will leave you with Mom Stabnar, and she will ask you questions and try to be active and try to participate in her activities. And if she asks you to open your mic, please don't say, oh, because I have work or I have this, I have that, I'm not able to open. Because if she asks you, she will just mark you today if you are not opening the mic, and then for 2 more days, if you are not opening the mic or not sharing the screen with her, straight away you will be dropped out from the course. So try, please try to be active with Mama Stabnar as you are with me. And thanks for all who been active today, and I appreciate your activity. And we will take those active student in count, and you have classes from today. Thank you.